spoke the word, and I believe the call. Now I'm the laughing stock before them all. You overpowered me, you pulled me in, and left me out here where I cannot win. I cry of violence, I cry of ruin and pain, and all I get is mockery and rain. I hear the whispers of the crowd outside, waiting for me to slip with nowhere to hide. I try to keep it in, I try to turn away, but I can't hold back what you make me say. Did you deceive me, Lord, to watch me break? Is all this suffering some grand mistake? I've got a burning fire shut in my bones, walking a path where I am so alone. I sing your truth, but I don't understand the heavy weight of your demanding hand. I told myself I wouldn't speak your name. I tried to bury all this holy flame, but it's a fire locked inside my chest, a weary prophet who can never rest. My friends have turned, they wanna see me fall. Why did you choose me to deliver this call? Did you deceive me, Lord, to watch me break? Is all this suffering some grand mistake? I've got a burning fire shut in my bones, walking a path where I am so alone. I sing your truth, but I don't understand the heavy weight of your demanding hand. Cursed be the day that I was born into a world so bitter and so torn. Why did I come out from my mother's womb just to see trouble and a lonely tomb? You are a warrior, mighty by my side, but Lord, this sorrow is too deep to hide. Where I am so alone. I sing your truth, but I don't understand the heavy weight of your demanding hand. Why did you bring me here? Just to live in sorrow and in fear. There's a fire